Ms. Nielsen recounts her transformative journey through addiction, identifying her pregnancy as a pivotal moment that compelled her to seek rehabilitation and ultimately attain sobriety. Remarkably, she has remained clean for 3 years, illustrating the powerful intersection of personal circumstances and recovery. In contrast, Mr. Davis articulates skepticism regarding his paternity of Kaydn, suggesting that Ms. Nielsen may have been pregnant when their sexual relationship commenced. This assertion underscores the complexities surrounding assumptions of parenthood and highlights the broader implications of trust and accountability. The court's examination of Ms. Nielsen and Mr. Davis's relationship exposes a labyrinth of differing interpretations concerning their time spent together prior to the pregnancy. This nuanced dialogue reveals the intricate dynamics that often accompany intimate relationships, particularly when intertwined with unplanned parenthood. Transitioning to the mother's experience, she voices profound feelings of isolation following the birth of her child, compounded by a lack of familial or social support. The incarceration of her partner further complicates her parenting journey, leading to diminished confidence in her role as a mother. This isolation is exacerbated by emerging paternity doubts stemming from the mother's previous relationships, where another individual has claimed to be Kaydn's biological father. This evolving situation cultivates significant tension and confusion regarding Kaydn's identity, reflecting the challenges faced in establishing familial ties. Delving deeper, the discourse reveals the father's lack of active involvement and commitment despite his professed concern for Kaydn. The emotional ramifications are pronounced, affecting not only the mother but also the child, thereby highlighting the profound impact of paternal absence. Indeed, doubts surrounding paternity arise from the mother's past associations, prompting discussions that probe the intricacies of loyalty and trust within partnerships. This conversation invites reflection on how past behaviors resonate within present relationships, challenging the foundations of familial integrity. The significance of familial connections comes to the forefront as one party articulates a yearning for the child to have a nurturing father figure. This longing underscores the essential nature of supportive family dynamics, intimately tied to the emotional well-being of the child. Emotional responses to the paternity results dominate discussions, illuminating the multifaceted challenges families encounter in comprehending their relational structures. The palpable tension between hope and apprehension regarding the child's future serves as a poignant reminder of the stakes involved. Moreover, the excitement and emotional connection exhibited by the grandmother upon the child's birth reveal her deep investment in the family unit, intertwining with the ongoing paternity discourse. This adds another layer of complexity to the evolving narrative surrounding family dynamics. Intriguingly, the discovery of a sixth-digit common to both the child and a family member raises critical questions about genetic inheritance and paternity. This finding not only sparks further examination of familial traits, but also illustrates the scientific dimensions of such familial inquiries. Additional hereditary traits, including lazy eyes and dimples, further bolster the argument for the child's likeness to the man in question. Such observations fortify the case for paternity through visual and genetic resemblance, signifying the role of physical characteristics in establishing familial connections. The emotional weight of paternity uncertainty profoundly impacts family relationships, significantly influencing the futures of Aelana and her parents. The search for clarity amidst this turmoil is paramount, as unresolved questions perpetuate ongoing familial tension. Witness testimonies emerge as essential components in supporting claims of resemblance and potential paternity. The voices of family members, who perceive Aeliana's likeness to her alleged father, enrich the narrative, adding personal insights to the judicial exploration of identity. The court's determinations surrounding paternity possess substantial implications for child support and parental rights. This discussion underscores the legal ramifications of paternity testing, which can significantly reshape family roles and responsibilities in pursuit of the child's best interest. Mr. Brennan acknowledges his previous involvement during the pregnancy, yet harbors reservations about his paternity, largely due to the tumultuous nature of their relationship. These uncertainties fuel emotional upheaval for both parents, complicating their respective roles. Reflecting on their early relationship, Ms. Jackson recalls Mr. Brennan's initial support during her pregnancy. However, she highlights a stark shift in his commitment that culminates in his current absence, illustrating the volatility of relationships in the context of impending parenthood. The court proceedings lay bare the intricate complexities of their relationship, revealing how unresolved paternity doubts affect their daughter's future. For both parents, attaining clarity on paternity is critical to mitigate the potential long-term consequences for Makia. Testimony from Ms. Winters indicates that doubt has surfaced due to her communications with another man contesting paternity. This revelation introduces an additional layer of complexity, complicating the already intricate paternity case. Mr. Brennan openly expresses his emotional struggle regarding the situation, articulating his yearning to be present in his child's life. This admission underscores the substantial emotional toll that paternity uncertainties impose on both parents. Judge Lake articulates the chaotic dynamics between the two mothers and their distinct roles within the paternity conflict. The suggestion that their involvement may obstruct direct communication accentuates the complexity of co-parenting in the face of such disputes. Conflicting statements from Ms. Jackson concerning paternity invite scrutiny regarding the integrity of communication and trust in the co-parenting framework. This scenario highlights the critical importance of open dialogue in addressing shared responsibilities. The emotional turmoil faced by Mr. Brennan amplifies the challenges inherent in uncertain paternity, reflecting a deep desire for meaningful family connections. His commitment to fatherhood resonates throughout the discourse, pressing for resolution. Finally, the legal ramifications of Mr. Brennan's acknowledgement of paternity emphasize the necessity for establishing clear legal rights and responsibilities, ultimately safeguarding the welfare and future of the child. This highlights the intersection of emotional and legal considerations in matters of paternity.